Students, we are continuing with algebra chapter number 1 exercise 1.4. See, these are different types of questions where variables are appearing in the denominator. What we'll do is that my equation is 2 upon x minus 3 upon y equals to 15. I'll number this as 1. 8 upon x plus 5 upon y equals to 77. I will number this as 2. Now we'll be rewriting these equations as 2 upon x, I'll write as 2 into 1 upon x, you know that, minus 3 upon y, we can write as 3 into 1 upon y equals to 15. Equation 2, I'll rewrite as 8 upon x is 8 into 1 upon x plus 5 upon y, you know, is 5 into 1 upon y equals to 77. Now you can see 1 upon x is appearing in both the equations and 1 upon y is appearing in both the equations. So we'll assume 1 upon x as a, let 1 upon x is equal to a and 1 upon y as b. So now our equations 1 and 2 will rewrite and they'll become 2 into 1 upon x is a, so 2a minus 3 into 1 upon y is b, so minus 3b equals to 15. We'll number this as equation 3. Equation 2 will become 8 into 1 upon x is a, so 8a plus 5 into 1 upon y is b plus 5b equals to 77. We'll number this as equation 4. Now we have got two equations in variables a and b. These linear equations we have to solve simultaneously. We can use any method to solve these equations. We can use elimination method, substitution method, graphical method or determinant method. I will be using elimination method. You all know for elimination method either coefficients of a or coefficients of b should match. So what I'll do is that I'll multiply equation 3 by 4. Multiplying equation 3 by 4, I get 4 into 2a is 8a minus 3b into 4 minus 12b equals to 15 into 4, 60. We'll number this as equation 5. Now, equation 5 minus 4 will give us, this is equation 5, I have written here, 8a minus 12b equals to 60 minus equation 4 is 8a plus 5b equals to 77. 8a plus 5b equals to 77. Now see here, 8a in equation 4 and 8a in equation 5, they are having same sign, plus है दोनों, that is why we are subtracting. इसलिए हम लोग minus कर रहे हैं. If you are subtracting, then all the signs in the equation 2 will change. See, this is second equation. इस second equation में सब signs change हो जाएंगे. So what I get, 8a minus 8a will get cancelled, minus 12b minus 5b will be getting minus 17b equals to 60 minus 77 is minus 17. Minus 17b equals to minus 17. So b becomes minus 17 upon minus 17, that is 1. We have got value of 1. Substituting this value of b in any of the equations, I'll substitute b is equal to 1 in equation 3. So what I get? 2a minus 3 into b की जगह पे आएगा 1. 2a minus 3 into 1 equals to 50. यहाँ पे लिखा है. So this becomes 2a minus 3 into 1 is minus 3 equals to 50. Minus 3 will shift to the other side. So I get 2a is equal to 15 plus 3 equals to 18. 2a is equal to 18. So a becomes 18 upon 2. Hence we get value of a as 9. देखो b मिल गया, a मिल गया, लेकिन अपने equations क्या थे? अपने equations x y में थे. So we have to find value of x and y. We know, हम लोगों ने assume किया था, क्या assume किया था? 1 upon x is a. We know 1 upon x is a, but a की value है 9. So 1 upon x becomes 9. We know 9 is 9 upon 1. जिसका डिनोमिनेटर नहीं होता वहाँ पे हम लोग 1 डाल सकते हैं, आपको पता है. सो वी गेट 1 अपॉन x इज इक्वल टू 9 अपॉन 1. रेसिप्रोकल ले लो. सो x बिकम्स 1 अपॉन 9. ये उल्टा हो जाएगा, x ऊपर जाएगा, यहाँ पे 1 ऊपर जाएगा. So we get x is equal to 1/9 and 1/y की वैल्यू क्या है? 1/y is b. देखो 1/y is b. b की वैल्यू हम लोगों ने क्या निकाली है? b की वैल्यू निकाली है 1. So we get 1/y is 1. डिनोमिनेटर कुछ नहीं है तो 1/1. दोनों का रेसिप्रोकल ले लो. So we get y is equal to 1. अभी अपना सम सॉल्व हो गया. When you get value of x and y, you solve the equations. So we will write hence x and y is equal to 1/9, 1. This is our solution. Algebra chapter 1 will continue with exercise 1.4. Earlier you have seen sum number 1. This is sum number 3. The question is 27 upon x minus 2 plus 31 upon y plus 3 equals to 85. I'll number this as equation 1. Second equation 31 upon x minus 2 plus 27 upon y plus 3 equals to 89. Number this as equation 2. If you observe properly, x and y are appearing in the denominator. This type of question we have seen earlier. So what we do is that we'll assume 1 upon x minus 2 as a. 1 upon x minus 2 is appearing in both the equations. Similarly, 1 upon y plus 3 will assume as b. 27 upon x minus 2 is 27 into 1 upon x minus 2. लेकिन we have assumed 1 upon x minus 2 as a. So this becomes 27a. 27a plus 31 upon y plus 3 becomes 31 into 1 upon y plus 3. But y plus 3 we have assumed as b. तो ये बन जाएगा 31b equals to 85 as it is. Equation 2 will become 31 upon x minus 2 is 31 into 1 upon x minus 2, but 1 upon x minus 2 is a, so this will become 31a plus 27 upon y plus 3 is 27 into 1 upon y plus 3, but 1 upon y plus 3 is b, so this will become 27b. 27b equals to 89. So these are equations 3 and 4. हम लोग इसको equation 3 और equation 4 ऐसा numbering करेंगे. If you observe equations 3 and 4 properly, you will see that यहाँ पे first equation में जो a और b के coefficients है, those are interchanged in equation 4. 27, 31 यहाँ पे properly 31, 27 बराबर exactly opposite. In such cases, what we do? In such cases, first we add these two equations and then we subtract these two equations. We have seen these types of equations in first exercise. So if we add equation 3 and 4, equations 3 plus 4 will give us 27 plus 31 is 58a plus 31b plus 27b will give us 58b equals to 85 plus 89 is 174. Dividing throughout by 58, ये पूरे इक्वेशन को हम लोग 58 से डिवाइड करेंगे. 58a divided by 58 is a plus 58b divided by 58 is b equals to 174 upon 58 is 3. Now equations 3 minus 4 will give us 27a plus 31b is equal to 85. यहाँ पे लिखा है हम लोगों ने फिर से minus 31a plus 27b equals to 89 we have written here. Subtraction है तो second equation के sign change हो जाएंगे. We'll get 27a minus 31a is minus 4a plus 31b minus 27b is plus 4b equals to 85 minus 89 will give us minus 4. We'll divide this equation throughout by 4. Minus 4a upon 4 is minus a plus 4b upon 4 is b equals to minus 4 upon 4 will give us minus 1. We'll number this as equation 6. देखो equation 5 is a plus b is equal to 3. Equation 6 is minus a plus b is equal to minus 1. If we add these two equations, a plus b equals to 3 plus minus a plus b equals to minus 1. A minus a will get cancelled with each other. B plus b, 2b equals to 3 minus 1 is 2. If 2b is equal to 2, b becomes 2 divided by 2, that is 1. ये मिल गई b की वैल्यू. Substituting b is equal to 1. आप किसी भी इक्वेशन में सब्स्टिट्यूट कर सकते हो, इक्वेशन 5 में या इक्वेशन 6 में. I'll substitute this in equation 5. So equation 5 becomes a plus b की जगह पे 1 आएगा. a plus 1 equals to 3. So a becomes, ये plus 1 वो साइड में जाके minus 1 बनेगा. a becomes 3 minus 1, hence a is equal to 2. अपना सम ख़त्म नहीं हुआ है. You have to find value of x and y. अभी अपने को a and b की वैल्यू मिली है. What is a? हम लोगों ने क्या assume किया है? We have assumed 1 upon x minus 2 equals to a. Now 1 upon x minus 2 equals to a. a की वैल्यू मिल गई है 2. Hence 1 upon x minus 2 becomes 2. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करके ले लेते हैं. So this becomes 1 is equal to 2 into x minus 2, that is 2x minus 4. 2x minus 4 is equal to 1. Minus 4 वो साइड में जाएगा. So 2x becomes 1 plus 4, that is 5. Hence x की वैल्यू आएगी 5 upon 2. Also b की वैल्यू 1 मिली अपने को, but what is b? We have assumed 1 plus y plus 1 upon y plus 3 is equal to b. 1 upon y plus 3 equals to b. Hence 1 upon y plus 3 equals to b की वैल्यू 1 है, equals to 1. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करके ले लो. We get 1 is equal to y plus 3 into 1, that is y plus 3. Hence y plus 3 becomes 1. 3 वो साइड में कर लो तो y becomes 1 minus 3. Hence y is equal to minus 2. These are the values of x and y. So this is our solution. Hence x comma y equals to 5 upon 2 comma minus 2 is our solution. Algebra, same chapter, chapter number 1, linear equations in two variables, exercise 1.4. Last question. इसमें से already 2 questions we already seen. This is question number 4. The equations are 1 upon 3x plus y plus 1 upon 3x minus y equals to 3 upon 4. We'll number this as equation 1. 1 upon 2 into 3x plus y minus 1 upon 2 into 3x minus y equals to minus 1 upon 8. We'll number this as equation 2. When we observe carefully, we can see that 1 upon 3x plus y is appearing in first term in both the equations. यहाँ पे भी डिनोमिनेटर में 3x plus y है, यहाँ पे भी है. सेकेंड टर्म में 3x minus y is appearing in the denominator. Similarly 1 upon 3x minus y is appearing here in equation 2 also. We have seen these types of sums where x and y are appearing in the denominator. So we normally replace this by some other alphabet. We have done this. I'll assume 1 upon 3x plus y as m and 1 upon 3x minus y as n. So equation 1 will become 1 upon 3x plus y की जगह पे m आएगा m. So equation 1 will become m plus 1 upon 3x minus y we have assumed as n plus n is equal to 3 upon 4. We'll number this as equation 3. Here 1 upon 3x plus 5 को हम लोगों ने m assume किया है. So this becomes m divided by 2. m divided by 2 minus 1 upon 3x minus y को हम लोगों ने n assume किया है. So this becomes n upon 2. n upon 2 equals to minus 1 upon 8. We'll number this as equation 4. We can solve these two equations by any method: elimination method, substitution method, graphical method, or Cramer's rule. I'll be using elimination method. Directly we can solve these two equations, but since we can see 4 as a fraction, 3 by 4 is a fraction, so we can see 4 in the denominator of equation 3. Similarly, 8 in the denominator of equation 4. So we'll multiply इक्वेशन 3 by 4, तो ये डिनोमिनेटर का 4 निकल जाएगा. सिमिलरली विल मल्टीप्लाई इक्वेशन 4 by 8, तो यहाँ पे डिनोमिनेटर में कुछ भी नंबर नहीं बचेगा. लेट्स सी. मल्टीप्लाइंग इक्वेशन 3 by 4 and इक्वेशन 4 by 8, what we get? m into 4 4m plus n into 4 4n is equal to 3 upon 4 multiplied by 4. ये 4 के साथ ये वाला 4 निकल जाएगा. Will be left with 3. We'll number this as equation 5. m divided by 2 multiplied by 8. 2 4s are 8. This will become 4m. 4m minus n divided by 2 multiplied by 8. 2 4s are 8 again. So this becomes minus 4n is equal to minus 1 upon 8. मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 8 के साथ 8 निकल जाएगा, -1 बचेगा. विल नंबर दिस एज इक्वेशन 6. इफ वी ऐड दीज टू इक्वेशंस 5 and 6, एडिंग इक्वेशंस 5 and 6, व्हाट वी गेट? प्लस 4n माइनस 4n निकल जाएगा, कैंसिल होगा एक दूसरे के साथ. 4m प्लस 4m विल गिव अस 8m इज इक्वल टू 3 minus 1 is 2. 8m is 8 into m. So when 8 will go to the other side of the equal to sign, this will become divided by. So m becomes 2 divided by 8. Hence m is equal to 1 divided by 4. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. तो m की वैल्यू अपने को मिल गई. We'll substitute this value of m which is equal to 1 upon 4 in any of the equations. किसी में भी डाल दो, अपने को सेम आंसर मिलेगा. I'll substitute this in equation number 5. So equation 5 becomes 4 into m की जगह पे होगा 4 into 1 upon 4. m की वैल्यू हम लोगों ने 1 upon 4 निकाली है. 4 into 1 upon 4 plus 4n is equal to 3. 3 हो गया. 4 के साथ ये डिनोमिनेटर का 4 निकल जाएगा. So this is 1 plus 4n equals to 3. ये 1 जब वो साइड में जाएगा तो 3 minus 1 बनेगा. Hence we get 4n is equal to 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. 4n is equal to 2. 4n is 4 into n. When this 4 will go to the other side, it will become 2 divided by 4. 2 divided by 4 is 1 upon 2. तो अपने को ये n की वैल्यू मिल गई. We have got m and n. But our equations are in x and y. So we have to find value of x and y. m हम लोगों ने m को क्या 1/3x प्लस y को m एज्यूम किया है. m की वैल्यू क्या है? 1/3x प्लस y है. सो 1/3x प्लस y इज इक्वल टू m इज इक्वल टू 1/4. सिमिलरली n हमने किसको एज्यूम किया है? 1/3x माइनस y को एज्यूम किया है. 1/3x माइनस y इज इक्वल टू n इज इक्वल टू 1/2. देखो ये दोनों डिनोमिनेटर में है, रेसिप्रोकल ले लो दोनों का. सो वी गेट 3x प्लस वाई इज इक्वल टू 4. दिस विल नंबर एज इक्वेशन 7. अगेन 1/3x माइनस वाई इज इक्वल टू 1/2. सो दोनों का रेसिप्रोकल ले लो. वी गेट 3x माइनस वाई इज इक्वल टू 2. विल नंबर दिस एज इक्वेशन 8. वी हैव टू सॉल्व दीज टू इक्वेशंस, इक्वेशन 7 and equation 8. If we add these two equations, what we get? 3x plus 3x will get 6x plus y minus y will get cancelled equal to right hand side में 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. So we get 6s equal to 6. देखो plus y minus y निकल गया. 3x plus 3x is 6x is equal to 4 plus 2 6. 6x is 6 into x. तो जब ये 6 ये साइड में आएगा तो डिवाइडेड बाय हो जाएगा. 6 को 6 निकल जाएगा, वी गेट x इज इक्वल टू 1. सब्स्टिट्यूटिंग x इज इक्वल टू 1 इन एनी ऑफ द इक्वेशंस, मैं 7 में सब्स्टिट्यूट कर रही हूँ. वी नो 3x प्लस y इज 4, लेकिन x की वैल्यू है 1, सो विल गेट 3 इंटू 1 प्लस y इक्वल्स टू 4. 3 इंटू 1 इज 3 प्लस y इक्वल्स टू 4. 3 वो साइड में जाएगा तो -3 बनेगा, सो y इज इक्वल टू 4 माइनस 3, हेंस y इज इक्वल टू 1. ये जब x और y की वैल्यू अपने को मिल जाती है, देन ओनली वी गेट द सॉल्यूशन. तो आवर सॉल्यूशन इज यू टू राइट इन प्रॉपर ऑर्डर. x की वैल्यू पहले लिखनी है, y की वैल्यू बाद में लिखनी है. यहाँ पे दोनों नंबर 1 1 है तो फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, बट अदरवाइज यू टू सी प्रॉपरली. Hence x, y is equal to 1, 1 is the solution. जब ये x, y की वैल्यू मिलती है, that time we end up this sum. This sum is for 4 marks. ये लेंदी ज़रूर है, but it is easy. If you go step by step, it will become very easy.